doing? Chef Pat Marone here. Tonight I'm going to be making Bolognese sauce. I was originally going to make meatballs, not for the video, but for us. And so I bought pork, veal, and beef. I bought about 1.5 pounds of pork, veal, and beef mixture. And I said, you know, I haven't made a Bolognese sauce in a long time. So I'm going to make the Bolognese sauce with the pork, veal, and beef mixture. I'm going to see how it comes out. And we're going to make it with a little Pappardelle Pasta. So let's get cooking. All right, let's get started with our Bolognese. I got a saucepan heated up on medium-high heat. Now I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to let that heat up a little bit. All right, the oil's heated up. Let's add our onions. Then we're going to add a little bit of garlic. About 20 cloves of garlic. No, I don't know, about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. You can use as much garlic as you want. We like a little garlic here. All right, we have this onions and garlic cooking down nice for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of crushed red pepper, and some fresh cracked black pepper. Mix it in there nice. And then we're going to add our celery and our carrots. And we're going to let that cook down for a few minutes. Get that salt. All right, we got everything cooking down for about 4 more minutes. And now we're going to add the pork, veal, and beef mixture. And we're going to break it up in the pan. We're going to try to brown this. We'll cook it for another 3 or 4 minutes. It's browning up nice. Let's give it a quick stir up here, and then we're going to season it again a little more fresh black pepper. We're going to put a touch more of salt, season the meat up a little bit, because I didn't pre-season it before I put it in there. I figured I'd season it in the pan. And then put some fresh Italian parsley in there. Nice, look at that, it looks so good, right? All right, the meat's been cooking for like 8 to 10 minutes now. See how nice and brown it's getting? Now we're ready to deglaze it with some Chianti. I think that's about a cup. I'm going to let that cook down. And then we're going to add our tomatoes. All right, we let our wine reduce down for another 3 minutes. And now, see how it's reduced now? So everything, see how it is in that pan? Nice. And the meat is cooked nice. Now we're going to add our hand-crushed San Marzano tomatoes. Mix it in there nice. We're going to season it up again with a little more sea salt. We're going to put some a little more pepper. Keep building the flavor up. And then we're going to put a little fresh Italian parsley. And we're going to put some fresh basil. And we're going to let this cook. We're going to lower the heat. And we're going to let it cook down for a while. All right, the sauce has been cooking for about 15 minutes. And now I'm going to taste it. See if it needs any seasoning. Yeah, definitely needs some salt. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to put some basil in there. I like putting basil in there, a little more basil in there. And we're going to let it cook for a few more minutes. All right, sauce is ready, pasta's ready. I just put a little bit of the bolognese into a smaller saute pan. And now I'm going to put the pappardelle in there and plate it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of the salted pasta water I saved on the side. I'm going to add that to that. Some fresh basil. Some fresh Italian parsley. And some grated Locatelli Romano. Shut the gas off, the fire off, whatever you want to call it. Toss it, and then we're going to plate it. All right, we're going to grate some fresh Locatelli Romano cheese on there. Just a little bit. How you doing? And I'm going to top it with a little bit of crushed red pepper. Yeah, I like a little red pepper on there. And top it with a little fresh basil. How you doing? And now for the taste test. Yeah, nice fresh Pappardelle pasta. If I can get it on my fork, we'll check it out. I usually use a spoon, but I can't use a spoon doing like this. Here we go. I'm going to try it out. Oh my God. This is so good. And I'm not just saying it because I made it, but it's so good. Fresh Pappardelle pasta with pork, veal, and beef, Chianti, and all the other stuff I put in there. It was 1.5 pounds of pork, veal, and beef. Never made the bolognese with the pork, veal, and beef. Came out excellent. And I used the pasta water for the pasta when you plate it and stuff. So it gave it a little bit of the saltiness, pasta water. Seasoned perfectly. Don't mean to brag, but it was great. Thanks for watching my video on bolognese sauce. And keep on subscribing to me on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. And if you can, I'm in favoritechef.com. And I'm going for a competition. So if you can vote for me on favoritechef.com under Pat Marone. And that's it. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care. Ciao.